नमो तस् भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा sambuddhassa. All the great men of the universe having Namo Buddhaya, Jai Bhim and Namaskar. Today we are discussing the aim of Sukhiti World Buddhist Foundation. Before starting the video, I request to all, please subscribe the channel and give one like. Now we start video. We are implementing the following missions. First, to set up national level library for poor students so that they will get advantage of knowledge to build their career. In library, student will get the benefit of UPSC and MPSC books, and library will open from 8 am to 8 pm. They will not move to search books in outside of library. Every types of books they will get all at one place. In air conditioned library, they will get guest lecture on time to time. It will be useful them in coming exam. Second mission, if we think today's condition, educated students are unable to get a job in our country, though they have BA and BTech degree. So we have decided to help them, such a needy students, by economically, to send them abroad. We will help them traveling allowance and 1 month expenditure including rent in abroad. But when they will get first salary, 25% of amount will be recovered from their salary in each month. It means we will recover it in 4 months. We will also help them to find the job in abroad. Purpose of it is that to remove the poverty of poor. It means indirectly we are giving the strength to country's economy. We know that poverty is a basic root of casteism. If we improve the level of economy, certainly reduce the discrimination in society. Third mission, today what is going in our country? Everybody is saying what is happening in our country. We are going in 1000 years back. The holy book for some people was burnt before 100 years back, is coming back in our school syllabus. The holy books for few people have only discrimination inside it and only spreading discrimination will a part of school syllabus, or it became a part of syllabus. What will get studying such? Where is world going and where are we? To replace such syllabus, we want to set up IIT level school in every talukas of our country. There are 7,000 approximate talukas in our country. The school will be based on Japanese, Germany, American, Chinese level technology. There will be no religious education in school. When one student will complete his education, secondary education, he will get command in 5 languages such as Chinese, Japanese, Tibetan, Germany and French. Entire education will be in English medium. All school will run under the power of Buddhist bhikkhu They will run school efficiently. Engineer college will also attach to the school. It will also depends on above technology. Suppose one complete their entire education, he will get job in abroad without any effort. Or well-known companies will come for campus and student will select in multinational companies. Fourth mission, Mughal established their power in India after 12th century. India was totally Buddhist up to or after 12th century. By disturbing Mughals or unbearable behavior of Brahmin Dharma, they converted in Islam's, and in British rule they joined in Christianity. In 1935, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar announced he will leave Hinduism, and he took 21 years to leave it. So, most at our people left Hinduism and joined Christianity or Islam. They didn't get equality in it as they wished before it. We have to bring them back to their original home. There are our mission. These are our missions. One single man can do it. It is a teamwork. So, become a part of Sukriti Buddhist mission. For any query and support, here is my number 7875841760. भवतु सब मंगलम, सबका कल्याण हो, मंगल हो.